Mali ng Panginoon sa iyong buhay, yes. There are many challenges in life, but today is the day, no? Ito ang araw na tinakdan ng Diyos upang i-shout out mo sa buong mundo that you cannot do anything to me because I'm a child of God. Okay? And bilang anak ng Diyos, tayo ay, sabi nga ng talata, we are highly favored, we are children of God. Nothing will be able to separate us from the love of God through Jesus Christ. I know that you experience that sa buhay mo, at ngayon ay handa kang harapin ang mundo, no? Na bilang anak ng Diyos, bilang tagasunod ng ating Jesus. So I want to ask you also, Mr. Marty, have you received Jesus as your personal Lord and Savior?
Yes, Pastor.
And we have come here to, in obedience to the example and command of Jesus, your own will, and kusang